Talking about our weather here today, mainly cloudy skies. Clouds moved in early this morning and now they're just hanging on. They don't want to leave. We could see a few sunny breaks later this afternoon, but overall more clouds and sun for our Friday. Breezy and cooler out there, pretty much a typical winter day. We're looking at a high temperature in Buffalo around 38 degrees, a little bit cooler down around the southern tier. A few flurries and sprinkles are possible for you this afternoon. Really, though, just something to notice. And here you'll see the activity showing up on forewarned Doppler as we take you down to the southern tier where we're seeing the most activity around Bradford and Olean, indicating a little bit of a mix right there up towards Cuba and then out towards Belmont and Wellsville. Further north, around East Aurora, a little bit of activity out towards the Corfu, Darien, and Warsaw areas, and then down towards Pike. So maybe a few flurries or sprinkles out there. Heading home tonight, you might be seeing a few flurries. If you have plans for your Friday night, there's still that threat of flurries, but we're going to hold off on the accumulating snowfall until tomorrow. We're at 36 in Buffalo, 38 in Dunkirk, 38 in the Falls, 36 in Jamestown, as well as Bradford, 37 for those of you in Wellsville. Typically, we'd be looking at a high temperature of about 34, so we are above average today. Normal low 19, Lake Erie water temperature at 34, Lake Ontario at 36. Day length continues to get longer. We're now looking at a sunset around 5:50. So far this season, we've had about 30 inches of snow. Typically, we'd have about 70 by now, so we're 40 inches below average. Service map, really not showing much as we look back to the west. Tomorrow, however, you'll see on Super Microcast, we are looking at some widespread, mainly light snowfall. So on into the afternoon and evening, you can see there's that potential for a few flurries or sprinkles. During the overnight hours, we will be mainly dry. Now, tomorrow morning, 6 o'clock, Super Microcast still has us dry, but we are cloudy. Light snow develops across the region during the morning hours and continues at times throughout the day tomorrow. We're going to accumulate around an inch or less of snowfall tomorrow on into the evening hours. A high temperature of about 36 degrees. Still breezy for our Saturday. Might need a shovel out there, though, tomorrow, at least the sidewalk if folks are going to be walking on your sidewalk. And there could be some slick spots with any snow we do see accumulating. Good weekend, though, to hit the slopes if you're going skiing or snowboarding. Holiday Valley base 15 to 51 inches. Peak and Peak reporting a base of 20 to 40 inches. Hollymont 12 to 36 inches, and KB reporting a base of 2 to 34 inches. As we look to the next 7 days for Sunday, we're mostly to partly cloudy. A few flurries are possible early on Sunday, but it is looking like a mainly dry day. Cooler, however, than Saturday, a high of 32. For Monday, President's Day, an extended weekend for some folks. Mostly sunny skies, a high on Monday at 35. For Tuesday, Joe, we're going to notice the clouds increasing throughout the day, but keep it dry, a high around 40 on Tuesday. There's a chance of rain and snow Tuesday night. Wednesday and Thursday, chance of rain and snow as well. Temperatures those days around 40. Kids were very excited. You know, they have off this upcoming week.
Next week, yeah.
They wanted to know what the weather was going to be to those days.
Because they're planning, planning ahead.
They have plenty. They have things to do. They were going to go see movies. One girl had a date with her girlfriend, a play date all planned out. They knew exactly what they were doing.
Of course they do. They know when they have their time off. They better spend it wisely.
They were very excited for their time off.
All right, it looks like a good week ahead for them.
Yeah.